close there. So right here is going to be the vegetable garden. No clothes gonna be hanged there anymore because it was already down in the earth. So here's going to be the vegetable garden. All the where you see the red dirt. So mommy go plant the June plum tree. So she already planted a sugar. We call it aloe vera. The retaining wall was built here. So another level of garden here, and then the other one there. So that's actually a mango tree. I never know saw a mango tree that. Never know saw a mango tree. So and the June plum tree that you plant? Yeah. That's very small. Oh, small. I was thinking of taking up the big one up, Papa. So those are the hoses in the wall. So when the water comes on top, it will flow through there. So the drainage, and there's some down there as well, even for this wall. Here. And right in that section, we got some roses there. There's some flowers planted along that stretch there. So yeah, my garden gonna look nice when it start to grow up. Oh, so windy. Don't want to step down there because they planted, you know, that grass that spread, the soft one. They planted some there. So don't really want to walk up and down right there. So my aunt's gonna plant these. No, paint these stones. I should say white. Kind of make the place pop. Yeah, make the stone them pop. So there's an arrow with the driveway. When they made it, there's a bump there, so when the car come up, it kind of scrape the bottom. So they have to dig it up again and make it flat, so it never do properly. So we're just here enjoying our. It's the first day of December, so it's December 1st, 2020. We just enjoy the sunshine. No rain or fall at Trelawney right now. So yeah, people just a chill. I have to go to work. A lot of people are doing renovations on their homes in Jamaica now, so they have the free time. I don't know why they wouldn't build it with a big bump right there. So I need a jackhammer. So you have to tell me when you need it, so I can ask my friend. Because I can't ask her now so sudden, you understand? We don't have to tell her friend. We never know, so no day go work by you, so. Eh? Electric one, actually. Yeah, you have to plug it in. Because she's supposed to use it now. I need some tools. You need tools with you. Okay, and stick them now work. There's a stone there. You know what is here? What? The red root tree. Remember the tea, what would you have from there? There was a red root tree right there, and we dug it up, and the root we boil it for tea. Yes, and it tastes so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I mean, so the cactus that go grow well. I forgot deeper than that, mommy. You can't go. The root there. If you plant it somewhere else then. If you can get a piece more root. You want to take a cup? No, you need something like that. So dirt are just so clay. No, I don't like it. Yuck. Monkey. Can't wait for the mango tree to start bear. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is soft. If we wait till next year when all these plants grow up and look nice. No man, make that grow up some more. Remember the one where Abby has, oh it's full. It a bear blossom on it, you know. Really? Yeah. What the plant the name? What name? I don't know. But this is Abby one here. Oh. We made the plant. Oh, okay. You know what the plant here name? Remember these small flowers I showed you the other day? See me I walk on the grass, I never want to walk on the grass. Sure. So them a grow big? Oh, the ants them a eat up this man. Eh? The ants them a eat up this one. Them grow fast because through the rain they fall. Them get a lot of water. And them get them sunshine because them be right out here so. It's such a beautiful day. Come off my grass.